Welcome to my channel, Ask Neena Teacher. There are so many little ways in which you can expand your child's world. Love for books is the best of all. Lovely quote, isn't it? But sadly, it no longer holds relevance with today's children. The age of hunting is gone. Hunting for books in the library is now replaced by searching for information on the internet. Students say, the world is just a click away. Why bother with books? True, technology does save our time and effort, but it has also taken a direct hit at the reading for joy habits of the children. Children are no longer enjoying reading, and this is a worrisome trend. But the question is, why are children not enjoying books anymore? Students tell me they associate books with school, studies, exams, anything but joy. When they have free time, they always find a device more attractive. Parents ask me, the child is with books all day in school, even during homework, even in tuitions. Surely that many books is more than enough for a day. What do you feel, parents? Do you also feel the same? What happens when children read textbooks? Let's see. They prepare for academic success. Books provide knowledge. Children learn to build their language skills. Children learn to read and write. They learn to comprehend, analyze and synthesize information. बहुत हो गया क्या? Now let's see what happens when children read for the pure joy. Reading stimulates the emotions of a child. It broadens a child's horizon, jumpstarts their imagination, ignites their creativity, strengthens the ability for visual imagery. Reading is like a mental gym for the child's brain, a workout where neurons flex and grow, fostering the capabilities of the brain. Reading also teaches valuable life lessons in subtle ways. Values like empathy, kindness, honesty, and the importance of making good choices. Reading offers guidance to children, encouraging them to develop a strong moral compass. So, dear parents, these are all the aspects your child will miss out if your child chooses to invest their precious free time in watching cartoons or playing online games. I hope I've been able to convince you to motivate your child to read for the joy of reading. Now I'm going to make 3 book recommendations for your children to help you get started in case you haven't still. The first book I recommend is The Constitution of India for Children. This is a book written by Subhadra Sen Gupta. Next week, we celebrate Republic Day. What is celebrated on this day is at the heart of our democracy, the magnificent, the Constitution of India. This book is full of fascinating facts and cheerful illustrations, an essential handbook for every child of India, an insightful introduction to the most important document of independent India. You can easily get it online and spend time with your children reading this book with them. I just can't think of a more meaningful celebration of Republic Day. The second book is called Are Your Emotions Like Mine? This is a delightful book written by Chitwan Mittal. She has written many books for children. This book would be for the age group for 2 to 8 years. A young child can often be overwhelmed by the range of complex emotions they feel, often during the course of a single day. A girl and her lion friend are the stars of this book about feelings. Magical illustrations, simple text, and a universal theme makes this a book perfect to be read aloud to your child. And the third book is called Just Because. It's written by Matthew McConaughey, a soulful book filled with humor and wisdom. It will empower our children to celebrate how we all are, full of possibility. Have you ever felt worried and excited at the same time? Or have you ever had your feelings hurt but forgiven someone anyway? That's because contradictions are all around us and they make us who we are. Though this book says it's for 8-year-olds, believe me, I loved reading it. I feel it's for all ages. The perfect book to read aloud, perfect book to discuss with your children. Now I come to the end of the video. Do write in the comment section and tell me if you tried any of the books I recommended. Thank you for watching. Wait for my next video.